Hello everyone, today I'm cooking a Bicolano dish which is called Tinutungan. No? It's a chicken tinutungan or tinutungang manok. Let's start cooking! I will just pre-season my chicken. So I'm using a whole chicken. Ito, I'm adding the salt earlier para maging malasa yung chicken. And when you add salt, hindi lang naman siya pangpalasa. It also improves the texture of the chicken. And I will just put that there and let it rest. Yan. So, medyo malaki yung chicken. So, I'm using a free-range chicken para mas medyo lumapit yung lasa niya sa ating native chicken. No? Texturally, mas firmer yung kanyang flesh. So, I'm just letting my chicken rest for a while. Let's let it sit in the salt. And I have my uling. No? So, one way to do it, if you don't have charcoal at home, dediretso mo lang siya with your blowtorch. No? You can just like burn. No? Not just burn it directly like that. But in this case, I'm trying to do it, mimic the traditional way of doing it, wherein we have charcoal. Do not worry about the charcoal kasi, di ba, yung charcoal, it also removes toxins in the body. So, eto, we will just burn our uling. Partially, it's scorched, but it's also smoked in a way because as the coconut will cover this burning charcoal. Yan. It will smoke, no? Yan. So, just make sure that's properly, you know. Yan. It's nice. Oh, I'm burning my chopping board as well. So, ito, I will just add my, embers. Yan, ganun siya, no? Put my coconut, Let it smoke for a while to acquire that aroma, that smoky aroma. But, eto, hindi pa masyadong nag-ember. What I will do it two ways. So, underneath, I have my charcoal. But I will also, like, just assist the burning of the charcoal. Yan. So, tradition, ito lang siya. Yan. I'll just cover it for a moment para, just to infuse the smoky flavor. So, I have my lemongrass, tanglad. Gives it a very nice citrusy aroma. I will just trim off the leaves. So what we have to do, we have to smash it, to release the essential oils, and you tie it into a knot. Yan. So very traditional, di ba? Pag mga lutong probinsya, you'd really see lemongrass and it's tied into a knot. Yan. Yan, my lemongrass is done. I have my ginger root. Some people put ginger, some people don't, but I like my gata to have that flavor of ginger. So I'm just using a spoon to peel it. It's very easy to peel. Yan. I have my ginger. I will just mince it. Certain foods become special because we don't cook them anymore all the time. So, ito, when someone prepares this at home, it becomes very special. So, we'll just mince our onions. Garlic is there. And my chilies, lalagyan ko ng 3 siling labuyo. And I will chop it up. And you can add a lot of chilies in dishes with coconut milk dahil the coconut fat mellows down the spiciness of the chilies. Yan, so just have a little oil just to saute my aromatics. And as soon as it's hot enough, I will just add my ginger, my onions, garlic, and chilies in one go. And I will just saute my aromatics until they become, tender. And all the flavors are infused into our oil. It's very smoky. Mabango. Look at that. So there's a little bit of color in our coconut. Now I will add my chicken before I'll work on my coconut. I will add the pieces of chicken. Ayan. When you cook, it's very important that you season in stages. No, you don't season just at the end, but you season in stages so that your chicken has flavor, your sauce has flavor. And I have more coconut here. Look at that. Let's add it. Look at that, ha. Meron siyang mga bits and pieces of charcoal. I will add water. I'll use probably 2 cups. So what I will do now is I will begin to squeeze out the smoky coconut milk. Look at that, no? So it has like a gray color, gray tone to the milk because of the charring of the coconuts. Yeah, so that's fine. That's good enough now. I'll just rinse my bowl. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Usually, di ba, pinipigaan lang natin diretso yung ating coconut. But in this case, I'm using a cheesecloth so that I'm sure that I remove the particles of charcoal. Just add it here. Yan. Yan. And I will just squeeze out the juice. Smoky coconut milk. Look at that. Yan. So, by using a cheesecloth, you can actually extract a lot of the coconut milk. I will add now my lemongrass. And I will add my smoked coconut milk. Yan. Peel. This one's peeled and the seeds have been removed. I will just work on the other. So you have to be sure it's really green. Look at the skin. It's really green. You don't want yung medyo hinug na, no? Because if you cook it, yung medyo nagre-ripen, it's going to be mushy. It's going to disintegrate into your dish. Now we're just waiting for it to, cook. Very nice smoky aroma here in the kitchen. I'm just letting that come to a really nice boil. What you can do to make the flavors really come out and become more balanced and delicious, you can add a little bit of vinegar. So when I say a little bit, that's just around a tablespoon, no? Not too much. We're not making an adobo, but it will bring out the coconut flavor. And a little bit of sugar as well. Let the flavors become more intense. We season with a little bit of patis. Patis, mas malinamnam kaysa just plain salt. When it's almost done, we will add our papaya and other ingredients and we will have our tinutungan. So, let's just wait for that. I'll just cover my pot and let it simmer. So, our chicken is almost cooked and it's time for us to add our next batch of ingredients, which are our papaya, diced papaya. Look at that. Green papaya. And our siling pangsigang. Yan. So, we will let this simmer again until our papaya is cooked around 5 to 7 minutes. So, look at that. Our chicken has begun to, our chicken is cooked. Our papaya is cooked. And our sauce has begun to thicken. Look at that. You can make it thicker if you just let it simmer a little bit longer. And lastly, I will just add my chili leaves. Dahon ng sili. Let it cook for 30 seconds to a minute. And we're done. Final taste to make sure. Sarap. So here it is, our recipe for today. Tinutungang manok or chicken in smoked coconut sauce. And it is perfect for your celebrations. Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!